Changes of reported speech, direct speech, indirect speech. Teach එක taught වෙනවා, taught has have, taught have has, had taught වෙනවා, am is are, was were වෙනවා, was were has been, have been, had been බාට පත් වෙනවා, can එක could වෙනවා, make might වෙනවා, will would, here there, this that, these those. Now then, today, that day, yesterday, the day before, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, last week, the previous week, last month, the previous month, last year, the previous year, next week, the following week, next month, the following month, next year, the following year.